A warm welcome to you all from Buenos Aires to a venue which hardly requires an introduction. It is, of course, the world-famous Bombonera. And here we have Tottenham against Barcelona. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Begley.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
As you can see, we've already started here. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Yeah, Mark on.
And a header! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
Kane is fouled. Get that clear. Sergio Busquets. De Jong. Memphis Depay. Jordi Alba. Looking for options. Sergio Busquets. Luke De Jong. Surely. Aubameyang. He's gone for it! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
Up to meet it! And it's bounced out! Goal! Barcelona! Tottenham trail at this early stage. How will they respond? Jordi Alba. And it's Kane. Tries a through ball. Hits one! Just off target.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Son Heung-min, he's got away. Son Heung-min, he's one-on-one, can he finish? Aimed long and direct. Dashing forward at pace. Looks like a good ball through. Højbjerg. Kane. Dest plays it forward. And it's De Jong. Now it's Aubameyang. Kane. Jordi Alba positions himself well and cuts it out. Reguilon. Son Heung-min with a delicate ball. Aubameyang makes himself available.
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that.
Well, I think it's a move to open the game up more, whether out wide or just getting a runner through the middle now.
Jordi Alba. And it's Luke De Jong. Højbjerg. Now it's Kane. Battles to win it back. Memphis Depay. Deftly done. Emerson. Bentancur goes looking. De Jong with the ball through. Aubameyang. They've done it! Oh, flags up, so that won't count.
Yeah, the referee hadn't spotted his assistant's raised flag. He has now, so he's ruled the goal out for offside.
A moment's uncertainty there, but it is the right call. Now it's Aubameyang, over to the left, and he's made certain that won't get through. Dyer with a searching ball. Longley. He's there to make a great save.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. The shot's on! Aubameyang has a hit! In towards the middle. Can he score?
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
Son Heung-min plays a clever pass. And a shot! And the keeper's relieved to see that disappear wide.
Kane probably tried a bit too hard then. He should have relied on technique as opposed to power.
Loose ball, who's going to get that? Back into the middle. Good clearance and very necessary.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
And the first half is done. Well, there we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It is very, very tight.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence and not rush into mistakes.
But we are already promptly back underway.
Tottenham Hotspur don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first if they don't grab an early goal in this second half. They can't hold back though.
Forward it goes. Now a chance to break. Jordi Alba. Now it's Aubameyang. Passes it through. Turns and goes back. And the finish! Bergwijn tries to get it forward quickly. And he's there to cut it out. Aimed long and direct. Son Heung-min. He's on a run down the left wing. Looks to slip it through. It's a throw in. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. No complaints about that challenge. Robust but fair. Coaxed out to the wing. That intervention was very necessary. Kane is now the subject of some adhesive marking.
Well, he could end up like a lost sheep, Peter, because they're trying to shepherd him everywhere. He doesn't want to...
It's Lucas Moura! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with. Tottenham Hotspur are definitely going about this the right way.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
De Jong with a long pass out wide. Aubameyang with a beautifully timed run. Now it's Kane. and out wide now. Decent clearance now, can anyone get on the end of it? Højbjerg. And it's Kane. Kane spreads it towards the left. Towering header! Sticks it away!
And it's another really good show of character. I love the spirit and togetherness they muster. Never know when they're beaten.
What a great header, got plenty on that.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Oh, look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Out to the flank. Son Heung. Is it in? Goal! Spurs! And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Tottenham go into the lead.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Jordi Alba. Now it's Luc de Jong. Luc de Jong! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
It's Lucas Moura. Lobs it in gently. PK.
This is good ball retention,
Knocks it
and
away.
it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Emerson. Plays it forward. On the right now, what's on?
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Memphis Depay.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Shoots! Tremendous from Son Heung-min! A 2-goal cushion, and it's looking safe.
Tottenham Hotspur are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
We have got changes here, from both sides in fact. 2 up and very little time left. Surely this is it. Busquets plays it out to the flank. Heads it! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Oh, smart save. Forward it goes. Well played, he saw that coming. Sergio Busquets. Ferran Torres. And that is that. Well, somehow they turned it round. Every ounce of energy, emotional, physical, mental, is spent. That is some win. Thoughts on what we've just seen?
Yes, they turned a lost cause into a great cause. It took resilience and character, but they had ample amounts.
So that's it for today. Thank you, Jim. And